I wish for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded with notification for. Ade ba ko ha adwen pa any say NPP where NPP is today no. Ahyase no ebet you can trace it to somewhere 2019. Na nkai say 2017 NPP na your majority or parliament. The internal elections follow that time no. Na party mpanifo the rules ni regulations bi a eba na antwa yi. Some of the positions ever ho na say constituencies bi wo ho na party mpanifo feel say and once a contest MPs are more sa our internal elections ni mo. And in some be by serious issues. Again, the party no I say nkofo bi our party ni mo a omo ye mafia tactics. Mafia tactics. During that 2019, 2018, no, just say to the extent say some people have to except of be tea omo contest as independent. And na menusu na ye papa Esiama as a see oye second deputy speaker no. Aha. Also ko independent and all we need. Onu kra na ebe cause the shift. The shift no. I will now be name in favor of NPP after 2020 election. And yes, sham be nema bebre every some mistake ayem. And as a party you decided say try as much as possible. Say internal contest biano and as fair as possible. So that if we internal contest now be able say ya team ya say we there be ya boom agent and I say album no obi temper with the album and all this. And person we contest now fin able to deal with some of these things. And we stay a time and what party no so chances of winning elections. Sana na too. And on record no NPP has been able to organize one of the most peaceful elections, flag bearer elections of all time. We election and now be a din say obi antime make say cheating no. Right? Now, from that election, see you call into our reorganization from polling station. In the best interest of the NPP say we allow for well-meaning party guys to occupy those positions. Now, in some way, say MPs be any penny-for be are trying as much as possible because of more selfish interest in general to push more favorite to certain positions or polling stations. Because some people want to come and contest for MP, and MPs know say about elections, constituency executive, electoral areas, polling stations, council of elders, almost constituency and all those in that vote. And they are trying to populate polling station because polling station are more the highest numbers. But and try because some of these people are these individuals try to push to the polling station executives. Don't do not party. No. At the election time, it's a police station chairman. Any other people or more police station, no, a campaign on my party, no, one of reference for phone. Who say a big deal behind it, omunye. No omunye sana a party. No. And a say party no measures very stringent measures prevent this microphone from going ahead to manipulate a register no ever from her. Mboa party no and kophobia obi a oyɛ sade bia no say you say nipa no oyɛ enemy of the party pay party ni ye there be what make us up MPP party ni ye and you be acting in such a manner that will reduce your electoral victory chances and the mboa ebusianfo before we go into the conversation as movement before the buy no e be a studio whole Volta region. Total budget in 25,000 Ghana cedis. We record dollars, my $2,300 US. Bet me a boy. Say na yen and debia. to bring this dream to pass. We shall for now and our screen as any. We rely on your support to do this. Don't go anywhere. A beautiful conversation about topic on air upness. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Now we NDC for as almost mutiasi when you womb. Because we NDC near as a so we see mutiasi when you womb. Because primary say ye Baba Jamano. Baba Jama NDC for me at say or ye na make us or ye condemned MP Baba Jama only integrity or the parliament, because we were told by the NDC, we were told by government, we were told by majority in parliament, said Baba Jama bought his way to power, bought his way to become the NDC parliamentary candidate. And again, ko general election yimu so by election yimu so no now on nam nkrofo nama ye che emo che sichiri che milk che ne masika e the EP vote. So Baba Jama and NDC4, they have bought their way to parliament. Inti say NDC say din ketia ene ne nkrofo esi omutiase we ni wom say omutimi ko gina ya waso east for ehwe omanim esa ka kire om say omonto aba mfama Baba Jama na Baba Jama enko parliament. Enti ye nya emre bia ebe regulate monocracy a ewura democracy ni mu a o me ye nche bo say akronfo agayifo friend say am robbers omo come hu bomu a no ma piska no mo dia ma sponsor ankrophobia ko parliament obo say we for no ma come hu abum cocaine for no ma piska sponsor enipa bi so omo ko parliament na ebi nso be president na omo mpe akonwaman obo hu ano na gay for turumu for enso akom hu abum no ma piska no mo dia ma enipa bi say ebi me president na ebi nso ko parliament and very soon ya nya careful asoman a ye benya a parliament full of criminals. Omo na ba be di oman so na eniema ebe koso oman ni mu no yesen ebe fem. Enti no esese transparency eba ni yetimi ka be sa monocracy na eba NPP internal process ahase si yenko trotro nkrofo din na nkrofo emeto aba enyi polling station executives na polling station executives no enyi electoral area coordinators na mo ni electoral area coordinators for enkoyi constituency for ni enyi region ni enyi national na nkrofo ahase ye di register mo obi a o se media kwa kosie ye di register mo obi a o se media kwa kosie obi nso abo ne tirimu pose se candidate wey me hwe akwa we animu a on support me pampi debate akwa we don support me ti se tie bia me yi na free register nim akwa yi a wo gina hwe pa de me hwe kwa me jesi animu a on support me yi na free obi nso se da bi we on ye ba omi anipa me nso so me support Brian Champon enti we ye ba omi anipa enti we de polling station election pa de me man contest bi and I say electoral area coordinator no me man contest bi. Look, menya course all over the country. Endra nkrofo be in fact Endra say obi frame me fidom kwabenya na no nkrofo frame me fi eku ase western region any eastern region, and we are sending our caution way to them. We will name and shame yen tena say emani paka clear bi parochial interest nti omoma NPP in position forever. MP bia obey wa adwene say obey sa na no na ade ha party be be odin ni agu ani mu ase because yen timi tena say mu kakra bi mu fa party no num na mu ngu party no. Eti set transparency no esha say free ho as many as NPP members no, you know them. That's the reason why in here we police station ni electoral area coordinators mon kona mon kwa friend crofo afiem obi a mun so NPP ni bia mo man ntro ni din. Let the party get the database of party members various polling stations na mo form din enko abomu na mo ntwa ba any polling station for na omunyi credible and competent polling station executive. Nobody should manipulate the process. Munye competent and credible people to become polling station executive and your parochial interest no person DMPT obi aka na wakwa yi ni say omra meye polling station executive if e bedu election so na penipa na kwa campaign na yehu no na nipa obetimi aye adwuma no ana nipa wo influencer obetimi support polling station no a support electoral area no na wa yi na sinchen na wakwa kofa obi a wonim so ntimi nya adwuma no because of selfish interest nti. The party must make sure said this time round no sansem hunu no nkoso bi mo manimu. The party must make sure, and we will help the party general secretary best person of us because baby abitie the nya calls from all over obi baby apart from say be bon din wo ha no the official petition ebe kwa kuma general secretary. I don't think the party should allow sanima no. The system should be open and transparent. Say the general secretary asebo no say afi polling station election no ye nto na homache yan to no anadwo yan kwoto obi adan mu eye transparent na obi atimi aba na NPP anya a proper database not the elect a proper polling station executives any electoral area coordinators ni constituency for no matimi akwakoye adwuma na omo de ape vote e de ama NPP for na NPP osun kokuruko no asa aba aban mu biem someone timi anya na saade a na mo man Crawford om selfish interest as a party ni dia then they no know because send this is how we need the next election and this no oba no obepe so obeko 8 years sika no mu obi and this for aban mu sika no mu tugui megiri se mu sika no bi wo ho enti yasra mo pare ye enkoso transparency enkoso na enhyehyɛ anya dwuma se be ya NPP party no ebetumi agya nan so biom
until 2012.
Okay, Pocho, businessman on your me. Aye.
Wow, Martin, not a businessman.
Fantastic.
Good. Not a businessman. Until 2012. My brother, every year president, and also what thing I be a friend engineers and planners. Na Ghana contract, baby, a contract, papa, ya the man. This is what we are talking about. We are not so much interested in Ibrahim Mahaman achievement in the plan or we are seeing nobody cares. What we are interested in say money na Japan for that is what we're talking about. That is our concern. Maestro Marcus say ya to about year 2016. Na January 1st, January 2nd, 2017. Na John Dramani Mahama signed $2 million contract. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Now MPP for Abba, and then Mame Kanya Chumfone MPP no Jesus wa MPP Fonkwan a couple months or Jordan. MPP Fonkwan ye bo maswa ayi dove ebesi wo maso. Na ye de call court to see ontua sika no ma oman no because irrelevant, no job done. What you $2 million enye ye. Akwa no buy or the bouncing check a bouncing kwa and or the MPP for the whole 8 years. That is what we're talking about. This is why we are saying say mumu executives. We are not going to select mumu leaders. We want leaders who are proactive and who do the job for us. Fast forward. Any power they check a cop bang Ghana a bounce no. Fast forward 2025, 2026. Any panel samba Ghana your box side contracting na yes I am saying that's what we're talking about. So we, Marcus, me, and Maestro, and it is possible we are not interested in somebody's G-Wagon. We are not on top playing 100. We care less. Our main objective is that at the end of the money na benefit Coco for Gentimin Chomoka, Ghana for Dasumu, Dumso, and crying in your school, Papa and call. Still students are studying under trees. This is what we're talking about. Near this for.
You know, okay. About 2 years back here, we need 100 million per invest in the black voter.
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
We need that kind of invest in black voter.
That's what we're talking about. Yes. Over the last 8 years, my check says he cannot need brother say no call to see and yes, he come back no what they say or no back court no lawyers by says can what yet to no be and crank could be just can installment am I installment no so I agent so what this can bank be the check no bank now bounce. That is what we're talking about. Nobody's interested. Nobody's talking about Ibrahim Mahama and the mansions I was see and I don't know any other. We care less about that. We are talking about the ordinary Ghanaian. The boy on the street, Akrana all tongue, dog chains for street is that's what we're talking about. That lady who is selling pure water in Kenke to feed the children and take the children to school. This is what we're talking about. Yeah, don't money in Japade, I'm a back for. Maestro. I'm being fancy on Montoazo.
Marcus.
Maybe I'm a craving sauce in the sea. Share
Yo.
Mubeje di say since a Mahama besi neba sheriff for some wine. Maybe boy no Oriya school dabe. No ye juma dabe. Make yes obi a watch on prof say doctors or no kita degree or debate na asu Sharif na adwuma be na noye so sister papa we didn't to or the back up we say stand time na ne ban starts organize boxing dey kind of papa wo position sa dey no wanye ne papa wo position no dey say the me na when to organize bibi ne ko as strong ne papa kwa wo position no oye den oyo nti se ne papa bet na abendua no so dia oye onyehu ono no chew mahama nusu ene ne ban ti se dia mebra kan nusu ene ne ban wo de wo ebet na go di kim ne wo ebusuafo nyina wa ayeye obiara tumi ye de ope ne kokofo mesi enra me hwe man bi pa ni interview na mebra ehwe papa no se sabe ne nan pa ye bibi o sabede na man kasa if you prophecy code koto common chinam krampo yin be na be dimpo nye bi because ni koko of 10 bags so say ahina bags aka but yenye obi etuma page sika the whole Ghana when you sika kran koto da me pray ni bi wo be sheriff for someone eduma be no why no Ghana
Ekaka was say football agent to Saboteur.
Oye paying si sheriff for someone offering a ban where school or banabra so just restaurant me ametiempo me pay more than or no crampo Ghana force want to be that restaurant but obi to me or quarter pray only the onye news nya twem Ghana for especially dame prepare often a jacob brand nita dudu de so
I don't put a boy cry
pay na wa for dey no so on me yomo ohun tane na nita dudu de tubu niti baka na tubu e yon ko bi sam fanti yi de wo kana tubu a oya abede
in fact Abe yam fantini na subo so tare bu you see so insert word bi abi you wo be bi afafo
ye ka tubu a ewu
awuna Marcus ye nya yam fanti furi bi na so sometimes we use some word bi abi be bi afafa I swear
tubu oya wa side na tubu de bi oya round du sport bi who's a sport bi wo ma omo kita de bi na what to or fan for fan tubu Jacob vanity na back na tubu all day
oh that be I want Marcus why sometimes why you mododo fancy ni e bio but sometimes when you say you would buy you go crab we be afafa
niti Jacob vanity back na danka what to fo danka fancy kana danka washwa watu phone we na what it platforms sanka simbo kono wo but because of is kebi ya de amama na ya brefo ya na no twetwetwetwetwe dey apofi odensu obeje ho bo na adu nechi na se Ibrahim Mahama maniske ya odokoya ne ntafi wakana no ode atum because we one maniske mo ono akwa na oba out obeda Ibrahim Mahama the kind of woman yan can kwa Mahama best independent in Ibrahim while the whole West Africa on the north so Belonia now momo so just a restaurant in Puyenya Captain Smart yen name today is the Mareche or some of you pay there name na but Mareche if there's a Mareche of you by name white that na Captain Smart name Botty obetre media su bo kwane dina nado atem then be ko boy restaurant ewa tika na fa ya mama yanka nokre na sabi yanyankra yanyam forma ne yina yegu
that's it ne kone de iche de hina na ya ka NDC de woyamboa nti anonya de oboka ne ko bia all right okay mate